I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin, the compassionate one. I am the vibration of divine compassion in the waters that pour on the earth, bringing the energies of blessing, of wholeness, of cleansing, and of compassion. This vibration of unity that comes to you, this vibration of unity that you are moving into, this vibration of unity brings you together in wholeness on the earth in a way that has not been since the beginning. I am Quan Yin. You are coming back to wholeness in a new vibratory level. You are reaching a new vibratory frequency in each and every one of your beings and your bodies. Your cells are changing. Your structures are changing. You are bringing in the vibration of the flowers, the garden of the flowers. You are bringing yourself to wholeness. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin. I open my hearts. I open my heart to all of you. I open the doors of the garden, the gates of the garden through your own hearts. Bring the palms now, unclasped and pressed together on the chest, on the heart chakra, and breathe in. And as you breathe in, I ask you to tone. And during the tones, I ask you to feel the vibrations of weight, of burden, of separation and fear fall from your body into the earth to be transformed. Tone together 9 times. I am Quan Yin. Bring the palms out, holding the palms out, pointing them out towards the world and sending the blessing of wholeness to anything, any place in your life or your consciousness in your world that you see as ununified, separated, that you see unable to come into wholeness. And focus on that, sending your blessing on the earth. For you are the beloved, and you are the blessed ones, and you can bless. This is a gift. I am Quan Yin. I speak to you of your abilities to bless, your abilities to heal, and your abilities to become whole within your own beings. I am Quan Yin, the compassionate one, bringing this vibration of comfort and ease through the hearts, through the circle, through all of your beings. I am Quan Yin. And drawing the breath in, relaxing, being whole. I am Quan Yin. Drawing the energy and the breath in. I speak to you of unity, and I speak to you of this year, your calendar year of 2016. You know that the vibration of unity consciousness is the vibration of the year, and you have felt in the first several months of this year the movement towards it within your own being, as the male and female come into balance in between, inside, in the center of your being, as the God-Goddess become whole, as they move together in unity, and you move together in unity within your being, you begin to see the places on the earth that are reflecting back to you the places within you that are not unified. The unity vibration is deep within your cells. It's deep within your bones. It's deep within the center of your soul and your being. And it is flowing over. The fountain of light is activated within each one of you, and that fountain of light is creating a cleanse within your being. Some of you have felt the cleanse within the physical bodies. Others of you have felt the troubled thoughts surfacing in the mind, coming up to be cleared, to be transformed, to be transmutated. Others have felt emotions moving through the body as the body opens up. If you have taken time, as was suggested this year, needing the physical time on the earth, if you have taken that time on the earth, you are finding this period of rebirth and wholeness, of moving into unity consciousness, much easier, much more fluid, much more blessed. As you are blessing the earth, we are blessing you, and she is blessing you. The Earth Mother is rebirthing you. She is shifting and changing. And so her body shifts and changes, just as you have heat and coldness in your being, just as the Kundalini rises and the fire rises within you, so does the light of the earth rise, so does the light in the earth rise, so do the temperatures shift and the planets change. So yes, indeed, your earth is undergoing physical change, but dear ones, so are you. You know that your vibrational frequency is changing. You know this deeply inside yourselves, yet your mind gets preoccupied with its everyday stories. The mind gets preoccupied with the things of the outer world, and you forget the deep inner world that is swirling inside of you, releasing the great mystery of the ages, the birth and rebirth of the soul in matter.